Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
If Task Manager shows a black screen, start with quick checks and safe shortcuts. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager directly and check if the window is black. If it remains black, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del and choose Sign Out to reset desktop processes. Try pressing Windows key plus P to toggle display modes and confirm your display is not duplicated incorrectly. Plug in an external monitor or change display cables if the screen appears blank or distorted. These quick steps often restore a visible Task Manager. If shortcuts do not help, restart Windows Explorer and check graphics drivers next. Open Task Manager and end Explorer. EXE, then use File and Run New Task to start Explorer. EXE again. This reloads the desktop shell and often clears black Task Manager windows. Next, open Device Manager by running devmut MSC from Task Manager to inspect display adapters. Update or roll back the display driver to fix rendering errors and restart Windows to apply changes. Driver issues commonly cause black windows in Task Manager. If the problem persists, run system file checks and deeper repairs next. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to scan and repair corrupted system files. After sfc completes, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix Windows component store issues. Reboot into safe mode to test whether third-party applications cause the black Task Manager issue. If corruption remains, create a new local user account or perform a system restore to a point before the issue began. These advanced steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.